Hello, fellow Earthlings. My name is DJ Zmarie, the dancing DJ. Today I am going to show you how to do a popular earthly dance called the Cha-Cha Slide. Are you ready to bring groove and dance to Earth? Let's get groovin'. Step 1, point and jump.
This is more than words, I'm really asking, or just feelings, hear my passion, cause the pain is real when I can't be next to you.
Step 2, swing your leg out and in while punching down and stomping.
I'm here to serve, been aching for one touch from you. Consume me, daddy please, use me, daddy please, use me up until I am no more. All night, just couldn't sleep for you and you alone.
Step 3, press both hands downward like you're bouncing a space ball and stomp at the same time. Step 4, crisscross your legs in front of each other like you're running side to side. This is also called the I Bay. Go to the left, then to the right. Step 5, crisscross your arms and legs while jumping. The Che-Che. For the rodeo swing, step forward and swing your arm around your head like you're roping a space dog. Now for the performance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. God bless.